Hey, Absolute Fam. It's officially that time of the year. Twinkling lights, warm drinks, family gatherings, and that quiet little urge to do something extra thoughtful for the people you love. And if you're anything like me, you probably want a Christmas gift that feels intentional, personal, and honestly better than those generic store cards that all say the same boring thing. So today, I'm about to show you how to use AI to create stunning, emotional, personalized Christmas cards. Cards that feel so thoughtful, your loved ones might actually shed a tear, or at least smile way too hard. But first, let's talk about where Christmas cards even came from and why they matter more now than ever. Christmas cards actually go way back, all the way to 1843 in London. Sir Henry Cole, a busy man who loved the idea of handwritten holiday greetings, found himself overwhelmed with writing letters to friends. So he commissioned an artist to design the very first Christmas card. It had a simple illustration and one heartfelt message. A Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to you. People loved it so much that it became a full-blown tradition, and soon, exchanging Christmas cards became one of the most meaningful holiday rituals worldwide. Why? Because cards do something magical. They show you paused your busy life to think about someone. They deliver emotion in a way gifts sometimes don't. They become keepsakes. People hang them on walls, fridges, and Christmas trees. Oh, they remind loved ones that they matter. So imagine pairing that timeless tradition with modern AI creativity that lets you design something beautiful, intentional, and perfectly customized for the people you love. So, ready to make Christmas cards your family will never forget? Let's jump into 7 thoughtful AI prompts you can use right now to generate jaw-dropping Christmas cards. Use these prompts or tweak them to match your loved one's personality. A dreamy Christmas digital card featuring a glowing golden Christmas tree, soft sparkles, warm candlelight ambience, elegant handwritten text, and an overall magical, heartfelt atmosphere. Perfect for someone who loves warmth, elegance, and meaningful holiday moments. A bright and cheerful Christmas card filled with vibrant red and green colors, cozy knitted textures, playful snowflakes, beautifully wrapped gifts, and a joyful handwritten Merry Christmas in the center. Give this to the person who loves classic vibes and childhood nostalgia. A charming illustrated snowy village at night with glowing windows, children playing, gentle snowfall, and a peaceful season's greetings message. Perfect for lovers of storybooks, cozy nights, and little moments. 4. A clean, stylish card with soft pastel colors, minimalist geometric tree designs, gold foil accents, and a simple, powerful message. For your aesthetic friends, you know the ones. A warm, love-filled Christmas card showing a cozy home scene with a family gathered around the tree, soft fairy lights, warm reds and golds, and tender greetings celebrating togetherness. For parents, partners, and the people who are your real home. A playful and colorful card filled with candy canes, peppermint swirls, bright festive lights, cute characters, and a joyful happy holidays message. Perfect for kids or adults who act like kids. A stunning blue and silver themed card with shimmering snowflakes, frosted branches, glowing moonlight, elegant typography, and a dreamy winter atmosphere. For the person who loves all things luxurious and sparkling. Now you can try these prompts with any of these tools. Midjourney, Nano Banana, DALL, Canva AI, Adobe Firefly. Play around with them and see which tool gives you the perfect personalized vibe. And trust me, this is just the beginning. All through this Christmas season, I'll be sharing tips, ideas, and creative ways to make your holidays more intentional, joyful, and stress-free. So if you want to stay inspired and keep creating beautiful things, hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you don't miss a single Christmas drop. See you in the next one, and Merry Christmas in advance.